Hello and welcome friends. Here we are going to check out a 3 BHK flat at Adani Western Heights. Stepping inside, we are greeted by the spacious and open living room. This features large windows that let in plenty of natural light and offers charming views of the surrounding area. The room is the ideal spot to unwind and relax because of its beautiful and neutral decor. As we move forward, here's our first bedroom. You can use it the way you want, and here it has been used as a kids' room. It is spacious and also has a big wardrobe on its left side. Let's not forget the windows. Besides the first bedroom, you have a common bathroom. But I must say that the bathrooms in this property are just as beautiful as the rest of the home. They feature modern fixtures, spacious countertops, and a relaxing spa like atmosphere. Unwanted items at the storeroom, that is zero point 0.5 bedroom. One level ahead, this store is not only spacious but also has a balcony on its right. Let's head to the kitchen. This stunning kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring top of the line appliances, ample counter space, and plenty of storage. Whether you're whipping up a quick weeknight meal or preparing a feast for a special occasion, this kitchen is perfect. In front of the kitchen, you have bedroom number 2 with an attached bathroom. And here comes the master bedroom, that is bedroom number 3, with a mix of joyful and sensitive colors and a large window, providing ample of sunlight. If you're interested in seeing this property in person or you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach us out, and also thank you for watching.